Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a collaboration with Iseehair. I'm so pissed off because you can see my mouth is moving in a different way and I'm doing a voiceover. My microphone was not connected to the camera, so this video is in all silence, which really made me so pissed off because I was so excited talking to you guys and showing you guys this wig. But I guess we'll do it voiceover edition because I'm always doing some voiceovers. So this is the box that the wig and the goodies came in. Iseehair always give me luxury vibes, high quality. Their paper that they even package it with is high quality, and this is how it looks when you open up that package. They give you a bonnet with some accessories because the combs in the wig is removable. They are removable, so they give you some extra ones in case you lose any of them, and they also include a elastic band so you can put on. They give you some lashes and 2 wig caps, a regular kind and the thin kind, and then some more information about the company. So this is the wig. It comes with a little tag which makes it look even more good. They come pre-cut and pre-plucked, pre-bleached, everything. So I'm telling you, I'm taking out everything out of the wig and then I'll show you how it looks. So this is the inside of the wig. You can see the removable combs and they add an extra elastic band in there for you. The comb in the back comes with this protection, just giving you a little bit of information about it. So you can take that out, and I'm just showing you the elastic band that they put in the wig is actually red, but you can change it out for the one that comes in the packaging. So I'm showing you the side of the M cap where they cut out for your ear to fit comfortably. So yeah. And I'm going in with the Ruby Kisses in the number 15. Gonna put that all over the lace. I always do this. I feel like in the winter time I'm the color 14, but I still use the color 15 depending on what I'm doing. So I'm going to put on that wig. And this is how it's looking straight out of the packaging, right on my head, making sure that I put the combs into my braid at the side part of my ear. I don't know if that makes sense. I'm clipping the hair out of the way and I'm showing you how melted this is already, and I did not even cut any of the lace. I'm using the Ebon Lace Melt Spray. You guys know, if you watch me, I've been using this a lot recently. I can leave my wig on for a whole 2 days with this method. So if you're interested in using this type of method, I get mine from my local beauty store, but I'm pretty sure you can find it on Amazon. So I'm making sure I'm fixing up the part, making sure everything is looking cute. And now I'm going to go ahead and do my moisture routine. If you're not new to hair, this is probably repetitive, but if you are new hair, section your hair into 4 sections and go in, comb the hair out first, then put some of your water, and you can comb the water through as well. Then I'm combing the water through, like I said, and then I'm going in with some curl defining cream from Shea Moisture. I get this from TJ Maxx. That's why I'm using so much on the wigs. I'm using my Nairobi foam, and I'm going to put a lot of this, making sure you get it on the, like, all the way down to the root of the hair and then at the ends. When I get to the ends, I comb that out, and then I like to finger coil, or sometimes I just scrunch, but most of the times I'm finger coiling. And this is how it looks. I'm going to go ahead and do this all over the wig, and then I'll come back and talk to you guys some more. Okay, then once I'm done, I'm going in with some heat protectant because I will be diffusing. Sometimes I don't use heat protectant, but today I am. So I'm diffusing on high heat and cool heat. and then I'm going to remove the elastic band finally. And now I can finally do some edges. If you're not into edges, you could be done right here at this step because you see it looks really good. I'm doing some light C-shape edges, and it's pretty self-explanatory, so you guys can watch what I'm doing here. Using my pencil flat iron, I'm going to curl it going forward. And then I'm using my edge brush to kind of brush through and see how it's looking. Going in with the got to be, of course. And then I use the got to be at the roots of the baby hair, and then I use the comb side of the edge brush to comb it through. And you can literally see what I'm doing. And I really could have go in and cut some of the lace off, but I didn't want to do that. I just wanted to leave it straight out of the packaging because it's a wear and go wig. So now I'm going in with the number 12 Ruby Kisses powder, and I'm fixing up my part. You can see my cap right there, but don't even pay it no mind. 9 times out of 10, I'm pulling this cap off of my head at the back of the wig. So this is how the wig is looking. It's about 75% dried because I did not have any patience, and I was messing with it and it was making it frizzy, so I did go back in with some mousse. You guys are gonna see that as well. But yeah, if you want a wet look, you can go ahead and be done right here. And I was messing with it, as you can see, and it was irritating me because it was getting so poofy. So I'm going in with some more mousse, and I'm gonna put that at the top and just like finger comb it through. And yeah. I wanted it to be a little bit shiny, so I'm going in with this olive oil hair shine mousse. I recommend spraying this in a bathroom where you could turn on the vent, or spraying it outside. This was actually making me pass out in here, okay? So I just spray that all over the hair, and you can see how cute it looks. So this is the end of the video. I'm actually talking to you guys, but you can't hear me. And this was really quick. If you guys are into wear and go wigs, closure wigs, any of that, I will link this new M-cap wig that Iseehair has brought to us down below. Don't forget to check them out. Leave me a like and a comment, and I will definitely see you guys in my next video. I really don't have much to say, but I just want to tell you guys that I appreciate you. Thank you for supporting me, and yeah, bye.